Hello everybody, welcome to my channel at the vending machine again. Hot Wheels response, a couple of Maserati Shamal, long cut, short cut, the Corvette, Triumph motorcycle, in fair, Pajero with the Great Pajero, and this yellow something, but there's a nice mini at the back. Then there's this fantasy casting again, another Maserati Shamal, Ferrari, a Jaguar, a DeLorean. This Ford Focus casting has been quite a while. Okay, there's another nice mini at the back. The minis are from Matchbox, not Hot Wheels. Red Lamborghini Miura is nice. Okay, then we have Snoopy, Peanuts. Premium Stuff, the Rally Metro 6R4 and Chevrolet Caprice. There is a Porsche and Bugatti behind. Okay, let's see from the side. Nothing interesting. You have a nitro rail train, speed howler. This is nice, the Porsche 911 off-roader. You get a Hot Wheels mainline Porsche with a trailer, but then the price is expensive. You can buy a mini GT for the same price, or even a mini GT BMW. Mini GT is premium, Hot Wheels is mainline, so no, I won't be buying any from this machine this round. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.